हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम. तर आज आपण बॉटनी कोर्समधला चॅप्टर नंबर रेस्पिरेशन बघणार आहोत. लेक्चर नंबर 10 अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस. तर या चॅप्टरचं वेटेज 10% आहे. तर आपण या पार्टमध्ये फक्त इंट्रोडक्शन बघणार आहोत. सो स्टार्ट द रेस्पिरेशन. फर्स्ट आपण डेफिनेशन अँड इट्स इंट्रोडक्शन, तर त्याचं डेफिनेशन आणि इंट्रोडक्शन बघणार आहोत. सेकंड, सिग्निफिकन्स ऑफ द रेस्पिरेशन. And third one is overall equation. What is the equation of the respiration? And fourth one is the mitochondria. In this we'll see the ultrastructure of the mitochondria and the functions of the mitochondria. We know all the mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. So, and we'll see the ATP. In ATP, the ATP has the energy currency and the structure of the ATP and the components of the ATP. We'll see. And the sixth one is the types of respiration. There are two types of the respiration. The first one is aerobic respiration and the second one is anaerobic respiration. And after the seventh point, we'll see the mechanism of the aerobic respiration. In this, the first one is there are three steps. First one is glycolysis, second one is Krebs cycle, and the third one is terminal oxidation. It is also known as ETS cycle. Link reaction means it is a connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. And the eighth point is the balance sheet of ATP formed during aerobic respiration. Means in three steps the ATP formed its balance sheets is of during aerobic respiration. And in ninth point we'll see the mechanism of the anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic respiration we'll see the first glycolysis, decarboxylation and reduction. There are three steps. And the next is fermentation. In fermentation we'll see first the definition and the two types of the fermentation. The first one is alcoholic fermentation and the second one is lactic acid fermentation. And next we'll see the efficiency of the respiration. What is the efficiency of the respiration during aerobic, anaerobic and the fermentation? And we'll see next the respiratory questions. First we'll see the definition of the respiratory quotient, then the formula, how to calculate the respiratory quotient, and the RQ measurements means respiratory quotient measurements, and the respiratory quotient values of different substrates means carbohydrates and proteins and fats like. And next we'll see the factors affecting on the respiration. The first we'll see the external factors. In external factors, the effect of temperature, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and inorganic salts, light, wound or injury, how affects on the respiration. And internal factors are the protoplasmic factors and the concentration of the respiratory substrate. And last and most important one is difference between. Many times asked questions on this part. The main important difference between are the first one aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, and respiration and photosynthesis are most important too. And mitochondrial respiration and photorespiration. And it is fourth one is aerobic respiration and fermentation. Fifth one is oxidative phosphorylation and photophosphorylation, and the sixth one is alcoholic fermentation and lactic acid fermentation, which are the types of the fermentation. So we'll see the introduction in this part, and in next part we'll see from first part. So thank you friends, watch the next video. Thank you.